Reaching for your pocket.
Pockets.
I never reached. What are you talking about?
Just put your hand in your pocket, okay?
I never reached
stop.
my
Keep your
pocket.
hands up.
Come on, no.
Stop!
Okay, you need to stop.
No, you need to stop. Fuck are you talking about? Why you got him on the floor like that, bro?
It started as a simple traffic stop for a busted license plate light, literally steps away from the driver's front door. But in the world of law enforcement, there's no such thing as home base. When Officer Rainey notices a passenger acting a little too nervous and spots a suspicious rapper in the back seat, this routine stop spirals into a high-tension standoff, where breaking down the moment, fidgety behavior turns into a full-blown physical struggle. Who's in the right when the cuffs come out? Let's dive into the footage.
Hey, can you roll your window down? Guys. Hello.
What's up?
How's it going, guys? Hey, Officer Raison, Police. The reason I pulled you over is the lights on your license plate, they don't work. Okay.
I need to fix it. I'm already home though, so.
Yeah, like, there's no home base rule, nothing like that. So, do you have your license on you? And then, Bud, do you have an ID? Where's your ID at? You okay, man?
Are you okay?
Yeah. Why you moving so much?
Why you worried?
It's cold. I don't have my physical ID with me, but I have.
That's fine. Can I take a look at that?
Yeah.
Can you hand it to your buddy so I can't reach it?
It's cold.
Yeah, I know it's cold.
It's cold.
22, 24, 27, 29. Okay, ma'am, do you have insurance? Okay, where's that at? Did you see anything? He's being real fidgety. Is that a yes or no to insurance? Right. You don't know if your own car has insurance or not? Okay, just wait in the car for me. Yeah. Okay. Have her step out.
Oh, I heard that one. Yeah, I had it.
So there's cannabis wrapper in the back. How much cannabis is in the car?
In the car? No. There's none in the car.
Right. Well, you left a bag of it in the back. I don't know if it's empty or it's got a
It's
little
empty.
bit
You
of
could
what,
check it. I haven't got nothing.
All right. Well, that's like I said. If that's the case, it's not a big deal.
No, there's nothing in here. I don't got nothing to hide.
All right, boss man, you just want to wipe your hands, set your food down. I'm going to have to ask you to step out, okay?
That's his house.
Oh, it's his house? Okay.
But I'll be right here.
All right. Is that where you guys were headed then?
Yes, we just got food.
Okay.
Ooh, look.
You have a jacket in there?
No.
No.
I got it.
I gotta ask them.
What's up, man?
What's the point of me stepping out if I'm the passenger?
Because I'm going to switch the car, and I can't have you in the car, okay? So just step out. You can just leave your stuff there. You'll come back to it. Don't worry. All right. Do you have anything on you?
Why?
So I just got to pat you down, okay? I got to pat you down for
what?
weapons. That's all. So just
Why
turn
you
around
gotta
and face
pat
the
me down
car.
if I'm the passenger?
Because I got to pat you down, and then
I
you're
have
going to go
nothing
stand
to
over
do
there.
with this.
So just turn around. I'm going to pat you down, and then you're going to go sit by your friend, okay? It's real simple, man. All right, get your hands out of your pocket. Get your hand out of your pocket. Turn around. Keep your hands up, okay? On the car. I'm going to pat you down, okay? Put your hands up on the car. Stop reaching for your pockets.
I never reached. What are you talking
You
about?
just put your hand in your pocket, okay?
I never
Just
reached
stop.
my
Keep your
pocket.
hands up.
Come on, no. Keep on the car.
Hands up, dude.
Damn.
Well, there you go.
Dick, bro.
Yeah, go by your girl.
Your ass fruit.
Go over there.
Your ass a fruit.
Go over there.
I stop touching me.
Go over there.
Your ass get drawn out.
Step back over here.
You don't gotta touch me, bro.
No. What the
Back
fuck?
up.
Don't do that.
Hands
Don't
up,
do
bro.
that.
Stay there.
No, why the fuck would you do that? He was just
Stop.
moving over there.
He's not listening.
He was literally moving over here.
Stay there.
Y'all being aggressive as fuck.
You need to stop.
And no. You need to stop. You're being mad
So just
aggressive.
stand there.
Talk about he was putting his hands in his pocket when he wasn't. There was
He was.
mad. There was up.
Okay, you need to stop.
No, you need to stop. Fuck are you talking about? Why you got him on the floor like that, bro? He wasn't doing shit. Y'all weird as fuck. Can y'all hurry up what you were doing? The fuck? He didn't do shit. Y'all weird as fuck. And you, I know you.
22, 24. We have one in custody.
He didn't even do shit. Your weird ass, scary ass. Don't come at me like that. Can you back up?
We're walking around. Go stand by the front of the car.
That's what I'm saying.
It's cold. How do you want me to stay in one place? Are you guys
warmer.
okay?
It's warmer by the
There's
engine.
weed in the car. It's not that big of a deal, man.
I want to smell like
How about a little bit of weed?
There's a bag in the back.
Ma, you got some weed in the car?
Oh, there's nothing. Check the car, guys.
That's a little bag in the back.
But there's nothing in the bag. Go ahead, check.
We are gonna
Y'all
check.
did this shit before. Come on. Do
Y'all
the
ass
routine. There's
weird.
nothing in the car. You're never gonna
You
find
don't gotta
shit.
touch me no more.
Keep trying, bro.
Ma'am, stay here.
Yeah.
I'm chilling. I'm cold. Do you not get that?
Go stand
I
in
got a
front of the
little
car.
ass jacket. Chill.
Why don't you zip it up?
I don't got. What?
This case is a textbook example of how a minor equipment violation can escalate into criminal charges within a matter of minutes. What began with a non-functioning license plate light ended with a physical struggle and a charge of resisting a peace officer. Let's break down the legal mechanics of what we just witnessed. First, we have the home base misconception. As the driver pointed out, they were already at their destination. However, legally, if an officer observes a violation on a public roadway, the stop remains valid even if the vehicle has pulled into a private driveway. Once the stop is initiated, the officer has the authority to identify the occupants and, as we saw here, exercise control over the scene for safety. The turning point was the observation of fidgety behavior and the plain view sighting of a cannabis wrapper. Under the Fourth Amendment, the plain view doctrine allows officers to seize evidence without a warrant if they are lawfully in a position to see it. Furthermore, the odor or visual evidence of cannabis in many jurisdictions provides the probable cause necessary to conduct a warrantless search of the vehicle. This is why the officer ordered the passenger to step out. According to the Supreme Court ruling in Maryland versus Wilson, an officer may order passengers out of a vehicle during a traffic stop for officer safety, regardless of whether there is specific suspicion against that passenger. The drama peaked during the pat-down. The officer repeatedly commanded the passenger to keep his hands out of his pockets, a directive based on the Terry Frisk standard to ensure no weapons are present. When the passenger continued to reach for his waistband or pockets, the situation shifted from a consensual encounter to a dynamic use of force incident. From a legal standpoint, resisting doesn't always mean striking an officer. It can include passive resistance or failing to follow lawful commands that impede the officer's duties. In this specific case, J-Lo was charged with resisting a peace officer. While the search of the car may or may not have yielded further contraband, the physical non-compliance during the safety frisk became the primary criminal offense. It's a stark reminder, you can beat the rap, but you can't beat the ride. Challenging the legality of a search is a battle for the courtroom, not the sidewalk. But what do you think? Did the officers escalate this too quickly given the cold weather and the proximity to the home, or was the passenger's erratic behavior a legitimate red flag that justified the takedown? Would you have reacted differently in that freezing wind? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Your support helps us keep bringing you these deep dives into the thin blue line.